Yo, what's up, my people of YouTube? This is your boy SEMO-MAC, and y'all, I got something for you. Actually had a company send me out a product that I think is really cool, and it needs to be in your shop or in your truck, in your camper, in your side-by-side, somewhere. I think you're really going to like this product. So this product is actually brought to you by SK Professional Tools. So SK is American brand tool company. They've been around since 1914. They've got over 100 years of ingenuity. I mean, they've got all kinds of stuff out there. And I reached out to them, and they actually sent me a product here that I think is really cool. So what this is, I'll show it up here to you. So this is a 4-piece quick release socket adapter set, okay? And this is actually made for ratcheting wrenches. So if you're like me, and God, I hope you are not like me, I am the world's worst about losing my ratchets. It never fails. I mean, I cannot find them half the time. I guarantee you I probably have spent thousands of dollars on ratchets alone. And that's no lie. I'm bad about that. I try to get organized. Finally, later here in life, I've actually got a decent job and everything. So I've actually can afford some stuff that I can actually, not lose everything anymore. But this right here can solve your problem if you are like me and you lose your ratchets all the time. What this is, so these are adapters that you can use with a metric wrench. Okay, so it needs to be a ratchet style wrench, and what I mean by that is, as you can see right here, you got your open box, what they call a box wrench is what this is, and you actually have the ratcheting on the end of your wrench right here. So these are really cool. They come in for your 1/4 inch drive, they come in your 3/8 inch drive, and they come in your 1/2 inch drive. So you have all three different drives. Your 1/4 inch goes with a 10 millimeter wrench, as you can see right here, and your 3/8 drive goes with your 13, and then your 1/2 inch, which is right here, goes with a 19. And unfortunately, I do not have a 19 millimeter. I've got all the way up to 18, but I don't have a 19. So I'm going to show you how this stuff works. But before I get into it, I'm going to kind of give you what this stuff is made out of. It is actually made out of CRV steel. So that means you are going to have excellent corrosive resistance. You're going to have a very this stuff ain't going to crack on you or anything. It's not cheap steel. So these are going to be long lasting, which I really like. You do have the, you got your chrome finish on here, which is really cool. So this thing right here should work for you in any type of harsh working environments. So that's even better. I went over the size with you on here. I just wish I had these before, because this thing would have made so much stuff so much easier to work on. These things are really cool for any type of household DIY projects. If you're a mechanic, if you're doing a machinery overhaul, if you're even doing woodworking, it works for that as well, because that's dealing with your, installing like fasteners and toggling, toggle bolts, anything like that, lag bolts. This stuff is awesome. And it comes in this nice little carrying case that is your clear carrying case right here, so you can actually see what you got in here. And it has this EVA liner in here, foam liner, which is really good. These things do not move. I don't care how much you throw this thing around, they will not move inside here. And it pretty much gives you a nice little breakdown on the back of this to show you how to actually use it. which I think is really cool. So there they are. And now I'm going to show you how these things work. So I'm going to start out with the small one. You know, you have your, it's for your 1/4 inch drive. You take a 10 millimeter ratcheting wrench. What you do is you actually push through, and it has a little liner, and then it locks it in place, as you can see right here. So you can take any type of 1/4 inch drive, 1/4 inch sockets here, push those in there, deep weld, and then you can just ratchet away. So say, you know, you're tightening up is what you're doing. If you want to loosen it up, you have to flip this. So what you're going to do, and I just hit the button, which was really, really cool. And now I've lost my socket. There we go. So yes, as you saw, the button release there. So there is a little button on the back right there. You hit that and it releases it. So now if I want to loosen it, I will pull this out, switch it over, push it through. And now I'm ready. As you see, I can't go that way. Now I'm loosening it up. So that is really cool. You know, another thing on here, and it might not be right, but let's say you don't have a ratcheting system. You know, you still can, it's going to be manual, but if you have to adapt, you can always use this and run them around that way. If you're setting it down, you can do that. You can also do it with your box end. It's just going to be a pain in the hind end to do it every single time. So, but Ratchet works great. Another with this 10 millimeter that you have with the 1/4 bit is, let me get this put in there. This one just pushes right through here. I don't think you have to push it through. No, you can't. It just slides right in. This is for actually bits. So like your Phillips, your flatheads, stuff like that. I got a little bit holder right here. You push that in, and all you got to do is stick that right in there, and now you're using it like a screwdriver. So you now have a ratcheting screwdriver with this. So that is your 1/4. Like I said, this thing is so adaptable. It's really cool. I really do like it. As I showed you before on the 13 millimeter, that is your 3/8 drive. And that's probably the most common drive that a lot of us, you know, home users use. I mean, that's the most common that everybody uses. Just like the 1/4 inch, slide it in there. You got your socket, and now you're good to go. Sit there and just ratchet it away. You want it off, push that button, comes right off. I do want to show you this. See, it does lock. So you got to hit that button to actually take it off. But yeah, y'all, this little the SK set, I really do like. It's a good little adapter. If you're in a pinch, you can't find your ratchet, but you do have some ratcheting wrenches right there. You can make your own ratchet out of it. So like I said, I don't have the 19, so I'm gonna have to go get me a 19 so I can actually use this for the 1/2 inch drives. But yeah, y'all, that is my review on this. I tell you what, do me a favor. Tell me what you think about this in the comments. Is this something that you would actually buy? Would you purchase this? Is this something that you think is an actually good item, or is it a waste of money? It's your call. I can sit here and tell you all day that I would use this, and actually I am. I will use this. Actually, it's going in my truck is what it is, because I've got a set of ratchet wrenches in there, and I did check and they have everything but the 19. So yeah, I'm gonna have to buy a 19 so I can throw it in there, but I will use this. This will be in there for that, because I've got all kinds of ratchets, because I just told y'all I keep losing them and I keep buying more. So I got a ton of those over in here in the shop. So this is going in my truck. But would you buy it? And that's what I want to know. Hit me up in the comments and let me know if you would. The price on it, like I said, is $20.99 is what this is. Honestly, I think that's not a bad price. I'm just gonna be honest with you, it's not. It's not a bad price in my book for something that's adaptable is what this is. So, but yeah, y'all, hey, like I said, throw down a comment and let me know. But that's my review on this. This is from SK. I appreciate them sending it out to me. And y'all, I hope y'all are being kind out there in the world. And as always, I hope y'all are having a great day. This is your boy SEMO-MAC, y'all. And I am out. Peace.